Hello everyone, this is Erin from BeUniqueness. So welcome back to our channel. And today I'm going to record a brand new video on how to create a free AdWords account on Google. It's actually not that difficult, but the very first thing you need to do is creating a brand new Gmail account. Because when you set up an account on Google Ads, you'll be receiving many emails that relate to your business or the ads campaign. So it's a very good idea for you to create a separate Gmail account just for your Google Ads campaign. As I already had a Gmail account set up, I will just use that to log in. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is go into ads.google.com. Then just click on Start Now. Right. Then I'm going to create a new Google Ads account. Click on that. Right, so wait for a bit. Then here on this page, you will see Google ask you to create a campaign, and it asks you what's your main advertising goal, such as get more calls, get more website sales or signups. However, never ever click on this because we need to avoid smart campaign. And right below here, as you can see, it says, are you a professional marketer? Switch to expert mode. So we need to click on this. And here, right on this page, we can see the dashboard that Google asks you to create a campaign. But we're not going to create any campaigns today, but if you want to know more about how to create a successful Google Ads campaign, click the link below and watch another tutorial video we just created recently. So next, I'm going to create an account without a campaign. Let's click on those. Right on here, we just need to confirm our business information. So the billing country, let's put in UK, time zone, United Kingdom time, currency, British pounds. Alright, so when you confirm everything here, let's just click on submit. Alright, now it's all set up, and that's simply how to create a new Google Ads account.